How to assemble a slot die head with precision. You'll need the following: the front part of the slot die head, with the included screws, the back part of the slot die head, a meniscus guide, a shim, and an Allen key. Start by attaching the meniscus guide to the back part of the slot die head. Make sure it's positioned correctly and sits flush. Next, place the shim on top of the meniscus guide. Ensure all the screw holes are perfectly aligned. Now, attach the front part of the slot die head. Carefully align it with the back part and secure it using the screws provided. Before tightening the screws, double-check that the meniscus guide sits evenly and is properly aligned. Once everything is in place, use the Allen key to tighten the screws evenly. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure and stable assembly. Your slot die head is now fully assembled and ready for use.